Hey everybody, NexusB here, or KahoolaCraft here, and today we are building the NetherHub. But as you can see, I'm not in survival. And we just thought, hey, let's put some content up on KahoolaCraft, so let's make a speed build. So this is a speed build. There will be two perspectives to this. There will be my perspective, where it's first person, and then there will be Kahoolo's perspective, where he'll just be on the outside, and then it'll be me building the NetherHub. So, that being said, let's get started.
Cool. strong with simile sung. Your songs sound off. We're writing a history where evil eventually lost, and still writing bad checks for what freedom's memory cost. Calling it a good war like we should be sentimentally soft. Naked emperor's decree, you turn the other cheek and essentially cough. Lonely brides crying crystal tears over open veins. Hope remains toxic. We're dying for a reason, for dying, for rhyming. Go against the grain of greed and all soul sorcery. We fell off the orphan tree disorderly. Them seeing the fruits of slave labor are soon to see the orchard bleed. I can't get it out fast enough, but I can afford to eat. Last week I must have ingested like 40 feet. But we'll get it right and they'll hear it, and they'll pay and pay and pay till it sounds like a movement again.
The moment's gotta start with you. There's a spark in you. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. The moment's gotta start with you. There's a spark in you. Light it, light it. The moment's gotta start with you. There's a spark in you. Better for the planet, take a stand. The moment's gotta start with you. There's a spark in you.
Teachers, activists, workers, children, artists, students, mothers, fathers, MCs, DJs, B-boys, writers, philanthropists, organizers.
We about to spark the movement. Spark the movement. Spark the movement. Check it out. We come to spark the movement. Spark the movement. Spark the movement.
In the name of ozone, death jocks, ninja tune, thrill jockey, stone through, subverse, discord, warp, hefty, kill rock stars, fat beats, blue note, moment, rhyme saying.
We about to spark the movement. Spark the movement. Spark the movement. What? We come to spark the movement. Spark the movement. Spark the movement.
Whether you're on the left or right, green, socialist, atheist, Christian, Muslim, anarchist, nihilist, pessimist, animist, Taoist, Buddhist, bureaucrat, or student.
We about to spark the movement. Spark the movement. Spark the movement. We come to spark the movement. Spark the movement. Spark the movement.
All the brass bands, dig down, rebirth, soul rebel, hot eight, dirty dozen, treme, mahogany, stooges, Olympia, new birth, rascals, pinstripe, tuxedo, forgotten souls, always lost.
Alright guys, we are back, and
Yeah.
Nexus, I'm proud of you. You did a wonderful job.
This is all from scratch. I winged it, and there's still more to go, honestly.
Yeah, like the roof is gonna take a while, but we decided not to do that.
Well, I'm gonna do a little bit more. to
Yeah.
the roof. I'm gonna leave it open, so you still have this nether rack, but I'm gonna close it off a little bit more. So
If
it's
you'd
not
like to
just
see
couple
the
blocks.
finished product of the roof, you can go watch NexusB's channel. His channel will be in the description. This is the first speed build that we've done on this channel, so depending on how this turns out,
feedback.
yes, we'd like some feedback, and depending on how it turns out, we will definitely do some more.
How do these look? I know they all look dead, but like, what's the best one? Which looks the best?
They all look. Oh, ooh, those ones. Those ones.
Hang on. Whoa.
No.
I think birch looks pretty good.
Yes. Yeah, that works.
Anyways, guys. So yeah.
Yeah.
See the. Oh god.
So I'm gonna get a quick fly around. I'm gonna see how it looks on the outside. Probably doesn't look too appealing.
No.
No, it does not look too appealing. But it doesn't matter. It's what's on the inside. That's a life lesson today.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter how you look on the outside. Matters what's on the inside, boys and
Right.
girls. So with that, I wish you a wonderful start of your summer. Well, it's the start of summer for me. So anyway, goodbye.